video that you are about to watch is created for UNISA students that are doing modules QMI1500 and BNU1501. Even grade 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 learners can benefit positively from this video lesson. Anyway, this video lesson was created by Mr. Tabar, using robotic voice to explain thought out this lesson on his behalf. I am the robot programmed by Mr. Tabar to do the vocal job on his behalf. Let's get into the business of the day. If it happens that you misunderstand something during the lesson of today, please call or WhatsApp 06717560073 or 06033722203. You will get a better explanation there. Now we have to start with the lesson.
As you can see on your screen, we have a problem given as the line AB is represented by y equals to 4x plus 7. Line BC intersects with line AB perpendicularly on the point 3 and 2. Equation of line BC is. There are 4 options containing answers below and only one option has the correct answer. For us to get the correct option of the answer, we need to work out the given equation per statement given. If the lines intersect perpendicularly, it means that the product of their gradient should be -1. In this case, we know gradient on one line, which is line AB. Then we need to know the gradient of the line AB, which will give us a way to get an equation of line AB itself. We are going to use the formula of gradient of AB multiplied by gradient of BC equals to -1. Then after we must substitute gradient of line AB as the value of that gradient is shown and regarded at the coefficient of x in the given equation.
After substitution, we will have 4 multiplied by gradient of BC equals to -1. To make the gradient of line BC to be the subject of the formula, we divide both sides of equal signs by 4. Here we divide. After dividing, 4 will cancel 4 on the left-hand side of equal sign. Then we will have gradient of line BC equals to -1/4. At least now we know that gradient of line BC, which is perpendicular to line AB, is -1/4. Now we should consider the format of straight line. The format of straight line is always given as y equals to mx plus c. Y represents the value of y at the given point. M represents the gradient of the line and c represents the constant value. We have to use this format of the straight line to find equation of straight line BC as required. The format of straight line requires us to know the values of y, x, m and c. We know the values of all mentioned variables except the value of c. Now this means that we must find the value of c, using the values that we already know. The next thing to be done is to find the value of c by substituting y, x, and m, as we know the values of that 3 variables. Substitution will go in this motion. Y will be substituted by 2 because at the intersection the value of x is 3, the value of y is 2 and the value m is -1/4. Then we will have 2 equals to -1/4 into 3 plus c. When we multiply -1/4 by 3, we find that the answer is -3/4. Then our equation will become 2 equals to -3/4 plus c. The next things we should do is to make c the subject of the formula by moving -3/4 to the left-hand side of equal sign. Remember that when -3/4 is moved to the other side of equal sign, it has to change the sign. This means that -3/4 will become +3/4 when is moved to the left-hand side of equal sign. Then we will have 2 plus 3/4 equals to c. This implies that c equals to 2 plus 3/4. Simply press 2 plus 3 over 4 on your calculator and you will find that C equals to 11 over 4. Now we have all the values to be used in order to find the equation of line BC. We have gradient of line BC as minus 1 over 4 and value of C as 11 over 4. Those are two values that we need most for now. We have to go back to straight line format or formula to substitute m as a gradient and c as a constant number. Remember that gradient is always the coefficient of x, according to straight line format. Now let's substitute. After substituting m and c, we have equation as written as y equals to minus 1 over 4x, plus 11 over 4. We can still simplify this equation further as our term a fraction with same denominator. We easily take 4 as our lowest common denominator and add the numerators. Equation of line BC is y equals to minus x plus 11, all over 4. Now let's check which one of the multiple choice options is similar to our answer. Option B is the one that corresponds with the correct answer. Do not forget to call or WhatsApp 0671756073 or 0603372203 to get a perfect